numerous freedom fighters participated in the Indian freedom struggle. Slogans given by them helped consolidate the common man to fight against British rule. Images of freedom fighters still pop into our minds when we hear those slogans. Let's look at some of the famous slogans by freedom fighters. Jai Hind. The slogan Jai Hind is known to have been coined by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, though there is some contention that it was actually coined by his secretary in Germany. The term was adopted as a national slogan by independent India. The Jai Hind postmark was also the first commemorative postmark of Free India. It was issued on the day of India's independence on 15th August 1947. Today, Jai Hind is a salutation we hear at political meetings and even school functions. Vande Mataram. It translates to Mother, I bow to you. More than just a song and slogan coined by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, it was an oath that added vigor and a stronger dose of patriotism to the freedom struggle. In his poem, Chattopadhyay personified India as a mother during the Indian national movement. Between 1905 and 1947, people shouted Vande Mataram first as a patriotic slogan and then as a battle cry. स्वराज इज माई बर्थ राइट. स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा. Were the famous words of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, a social reformer, lawyer, and the first leader of India's independence movement. He was one of the most influential freedom fighters of his time. Inqilab Jindabad. While the slogan was popularized by Bhagat Singh, it was coined by activist, freedom fighter, and Urdu poet Hasrat Mohani in 1921. It's rightfully credited to the revolutionary, seeing as how Bhagat Singh was one of the most courageous freedom fighters who gave his life for the country at the young age of 23. And the slogan translates to Long live the revolution. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Literally translated from what Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. He made this statement in Burma, now Myanmar, in 1944 to the Indian National Army, urging the youth of India to take part in the freedom struggle with him.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.